I guess. I hope so.
Hello everybody, this is Greenie.
Yeah.
This is CryptoCommons and Greenie, and oh shit,
Thank-
I need to think of a name for myself.
Yes.
Greenie and Weenie.
Okay, Greenie and Winnie. Guys, hi everyone. You are watching CryptoCommons channel and Greenie and Winnie. Today we are going to discuss the crypto markets, the Bitcoin price, the
Greenie and
altcoin price. Oh, I think we are hearing ourselves. Yeah, that's on my side. Okay, Artyom, I told your name already because because it was seen on the Zoom.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
I
Our
Greenie, I thought.
yeah, our co-host Artyom Winnie, and we are live. Yeah, I hope we are live. And what are we going to discuss today? You'll be my co-host, so you feel free to say anything.
I'm gonna play with the audience. Tinky Winky, yeah, exactly. So it's Greenie and Weenie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Just yeah. You can tell us what we're gonna do today. Cause like, what's up?
Yeah, basically, I think I'm gonna start again from scratch because it's easier to me. English is not my main language and not also my main channel. Our main channel is Russian. I just told Winnie that I will not say this, but sorry, for me it's just easier to explain things. So usually everyday basis I do Russian videos, but now time to time I try to do more English videos and live streams as well. So Artyom or Winnie will help me to do so, or maybe I will ask some questions or navigate me a little bit. So what I want to tell you in general, it is super exciting times now. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't remember when the last video or live stream was, except the Carl Moon's show. Recently I was on the Moon show, and by the way, yeah, if you didn't see, you can watch it on his channel.
It's the Moon Show.
Yeah, the Moon show.
And what is the name of the YouTube channel?
The Moon Show, basically the name is The Moon, but they rename it to The Moon Show, so handle is The Moon, and The Moon Show it is the title of the live stream. So yeah, this is the Carl Moon's channel. I guess a lot of crypto guys knows him. So recently I was on this show, I guess, yeah, 3 days ago. So we can share a link later in the description, so you can watch it, the whole episode, if you like, and of course subscribe to the Moon Show. So except that, I think we didn't stream a couple of weeks or so, and the price of Bitcoin was somewhere here, maybe, probably. Yeah, I guess it was before the elections. And yeah, basically congratulations to everyone who is in the rocket, who is catching these green movements, green candles. And you know what? I think the alt season is on the corner. I mean, yeah, today we are seeing some red movements. Today is correction day, but in general, weekly, monthly, and yearly look super bullish for me. And
Do you think it's the correction that's going on? Because there's an opinion that the moon is cancelled and we're heading to the dno, and dno is the bottom.
okay, we're heading to the bottom. Look,
Yeah, what do you think about that?
personally, I think that Bitcoin is a little bit overheat now. I mean, overextended, over bullishness. We are seeing some over bullish sentiment. So maybe not like this is not the end of the bull market. That's my bet. I mean, if we non-financial advice, but I will give like a 10% chance or even 5% chance that this is the top because it's not logical, okay, for me. So yeah, I think we're experiencing some let's say regular correction in a bull market, because in a bull market we are not going straight only up. So maybe 15 or 20% should be okay for Bitcoin this time. And also this exists, or how to say, co-lines with this EMA ribbon support, possibly. So I do not expect big downward movements, but market doesn't care if I expect or not, so we should be prepared for both scenarios, or even 3 scenarios at least, something like this.
Just a couple of days ago, the sentiment was like, yeah, we're heading to the moon and nothing is gonna stop Bitcoin from just skyrocketing. And now we're seeing and we're experiencing like this sort of it's not a fall, but sort of a dump, yeah. So was it expected? Because I have a feeling that everybody was expecting the opposite. Everybody was expecting the Bitcoin going up.
Yeah, you know what? Usually markets are doing the opposite that everybody expects. So yes, of course, for me it was expected, and even earlier we were talking about this in the 60-70 region, but we did see the nice 20-30, even 32-33% retracement. So I think makes sense to wait maybe something like that, and at least some contact with this EMA ribbon support, which now is at 82 level approximately. Maybe even we will break it for a little bit, like how we did here, So.
Yeah, but is it what CryptoKid was talking about on the Moon Show when you were a guest on that show? He was talking about the base 4. So we
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
So maybe we're heading to the base 4.
Yeah, we just broke the all-time high again, the recent all-time high, and maybe we can do, something like, we call it mirror level in Russian, but actually it calls like, how to say, как будет отражение в реке?
Reflection?
Huh?
Reflection?
Reflection. See, this is like a reflection. I mean, if maybe not reflection, but I mean this is like a balance level. When it's when some level was as acting like as a resistance. Usually after breaking it, we will retest it like a support again. That's what I'm trying to say. So maybe we will retest this level, and yeah. It's gonna be a nice correction. If so, we do not know for sure. It can be the nice 20-25% correction, but altcoins are looking different. That's what I want to point out in this show, because Ethereum still is far from its all-time high. I mean, we have a lot of space to go. Ethereum still needs to pump 15% to get to its to reach its all-time high of. Oh no, sorry, it's not even all-time high, it's a local high. 15% to reach the local high of 400 and almost $4,000 and almost $100, and we need to pump even more, even harder. We need to pump 36, almost 37% to reach its all-time high of approximately $5,000. Actually, it's 4,867 or something like this. So I think we can see nice movements on altcoins next weeks or months, because Bitcoin already did a lot. I mean, to be honest with you, no one expected so fast, so rapid, crazy movements. Yes, ETF was approved. Yes, halving happened. Yes, Donald Trump won the elections. But anyway, come on. This is this can go higher. I mean, even if we are talking about corrections now, Heikanashi candles, they are green on a weekly, on a 2 daily time frame. But actually on daily, there we are seeing first red candle, Heikanashi already. So we'll see. We will see. Maybe it will immediately pump back and break the 100k psychological level. What do you think, Winnie?
I don't know. I have no idea.
You have no clue.
Yeah. I'm just watching it. But I don't like the movement.
You do not. This is your actually.
Yeah.
This is your first season in crypto market, right?
Yes,
This is your
my
first
first season.
Yeah.
Well, I'm kind of.
Can you tell us a little bit of your story to introduce
story?
yourself? Yeah.
Oh, well.
How did you came to crypto, or maybe just a few facts, like when you first time, I don't know, bought or invested in crypto or get your first crypto, and how did you know about that?
How did I know about crypto? I
Yeah.
learned about crypto. Like I heard about it a long time ago, but I never really had any experience with the crypto. Never ever bought anything, never sold anything, never ever owned any cryptocurrency.
You haven't been involved.
Any coins. Yeah, and so I just heard it as some kind of a background, like a noise on the news, like Bitcoin hits like 8,000, Bitcoin hits 16,000, Bitcoin hits 25,000, and at some point it was like 50 and over 50, and I was like, okay, I don't care, I'm not getting what's happening out there. But I think like a couple of years ago, maybe a year and a half ago, I was looking for a job, and somebody and I do translations, English to Russian, Russian to English, and I don't remember, somebody sent me this kind of a job offer to translate a video, so I started doing it, and it was some kind of a test, so a test, like a task. Okay, so it was a test translation. So I translated a video, and it was on crypto. So it lasted for like 10 minutes, and it was about trading. And that was the first time I actually looked at these charts and saw into it. And then, but like that job didn't work out well for me because the guys never paid me. So I think it was scammers. So they were just looking for some easy. They tried to hook somebody up to just to make me translate the video. But I scammed them because I did not send them like the full video. I sent them the video and with my voiceover, and I also mixed some funny music with it, so they couldn't use it anyway. Anyways, and I think it was like a month and a half ago, that I talked to you. So I talked to Greenie, and yeah, you pulled me into this, and this was the first time I was like I was dealing seriously with the stuff. And I'd like to say that I'm happy that I entered this before the bull market started. So I saw Bitcoin going down from 68 to like $62,000, and I watched some videos. I translated some videos on crypto from English to Russian, so I had some time to prepare for the bull market, and I heard everybody saying like, yeah, we are into bull market now, heading into it. And then it started, and now it's going, and yeah, that's my story.
Cool, thanks for sharing. Somebody typing in chat in Russian. I will ask you guys, if you don't mind, if you can, please do it in English, because we are trying to switch the target group. I mean, we need this video, this live stream, to be shared in more territories than only Russia, Ukraine, and other SNG regions. But anyway, if this is not a pre-recorded video, as somebody asked.
Yeah.
This is a live show, and we are actually watching the Bitcoin price. And yeah, somebody asked, where is the drop? Like, what is this the old chart? No, it's not the old chart. Basically, it's a logarithmic chart of Bitcoin, and oops, and it's yeah, it's a linear chart, right? Or how it called? It's not candlesticks, and we are seeing that we just broke from out from our accumulation channel. As you may see, we did it here. It was a bull market. We did it here. It was a bull market. We did it here. It was a officially it was a bull market, but I would
Yeah, you have your own theory about that.
yeah, how to say усомниться in English?
I doubt.
Yeah, I doubt about basically, yeah, to FOMO in, to FOMO out, or yeah, or to have no doubt. Basically, I have I have doubts about this market, that maybe it wasn't even a bull market. I was talking about this on the Moon Show. I can quickly share this theory. If we are looking at Bitcoin, yeah, first of all, we need to go to Twitter and find some very interesting metric. I saw the TechDev tweet. Shout out to TechDev.
When did you discover it? Like, when did you first think about that false bull market thing?
You know, maybe it was some kind of a premature thinking, but actually, like a couple of weeks ago, I realized it completely a couple of weeks ago. But I had some opinions like that before. But yeah, a couple of weeks ago, I did a video about that. So after I saw this screen, so shout out to TechDev. Take a look at this. This is a 4 weekly time frame Bitcoin dollar index, RSI and CMF. I guess it's some kind of money flow. So if you look closer, yeah, I hope everybody see. And by the way, if you feel free to like and share and subscribe if you're also involved in this kind of stuff, crypto stuff. We're all in the same boat. So yeah, if you are looking here, you see basically every bull market. We saw the green here on CMF. We saw green here. We saw here green. We saw green also here. But on this last bull market, in quotes, we didn't even broke bullish. So yeah, if we again, it's a 4 weekly time frame. So by this metric, we should consider then that it wasn't a bull market
at
all, right? So thanks for that. And now we are seeing the green again. It's the first green since 2016. So 8 years. We didn't have the same setup for 8 years. And also, when you go dive deeper to it, you take we can take a look at Bitcoin US dollar on weekly. Let's do it. Yeah, basically it's going up, and we see that yeah, it was a bull market. Okay, it wasn't maybe so aggressive as everyone expected, but it was a bull market. We did break the all-time high, and we didn't break the all-time low. So technically it's a bull market. But if we take a look at Bitcoin US dollar to money printer, and this is called BLX to M1SL. Somebody will say that M1SL is not accurate metric, and they already fixed it, so you should use M2SL, but I prefer not to trust official opinion. And I think that yeah, we agree that by the way, I don't know, Winnie, if you agree that they could print like how to say, a couple of times they could print a couple of X money since the COVID, or I don't know, last 5 years. What do you think about this? Because official data says they did, but not too much. I mean, but if we imagine that they printed like 4 or 5x time more US dollars, which is, I think it's higher probability that they did that than they didn't. What do you think of this, Winnie? I mean Federal Reserve.
Yeah, but it's really hard to think about the Federal Reserve, especially in the U.S.
Yeah.
Without living in the U.S. And by the way, we're in Argentina and in France right now, so we're not in the U.S.
Yeah.
And
so we can trade.
Yeah,
we can trade with 100x leverage, because if you if you're a U.S. citizen, you can't. Yeah. Sorry.
But anyways, what I think about this is, when I see a chart like this, I tend to think that there is some kind of manipulation going on. I mean, on the side of the U.S. government. I can't believe that they can print more money than they claim they do. So the thing is, we can only speculate about that. So it's a matter of whether we believe it or not. So I tend to believe that.
Because the official data is like.
If you can physically print the money and go away with it, then why not doing it?
Why wouldn't you?
So much.
Absolutely agree.
There's so much temptation in doing it. So it's an easy way out.
Yeah, and my rough estimation is maybe x4 or x5 times, because I mean if we see if we take a look at this chart, this was the top of 2017, so it was actually almost $20,000, right? It was 19 and something. So now we are just breaking this level. So it was $20,000. Now it's 100,000, right? So
but
it's
just to make
X5.
Sure, what is this chart about? So does it show how much money was printed?
Yes, how much money they printed since the COVID, and I think slightly before COVID they started the quantitative easing, and then they did a lot. So basically, if we're looking here at this chart, this was 20k Bitcoin, right? And this was 64k Bitcoin. Okay, so how do you like this? I mean, if we're looking in terms of US dollar purchasing power, it was a bear market because it didn't break its all-time high. I mean, it already need to skyrocket to 6 digits, in the previous cycle. So if we look at this, and also if we look at this, we can agree that this was the bear market, and Bitcoin, it was basically a dead cat bounce in a bear market. So Bitcoin is just now turn green here, or the super green, and maybe we are facing the bigger cycles now. Maybe it was a 6-year or 8-year bear market, and now we'll see crazy super parabolic bull market. But that's not sure. I'm not sure, guys. It's just my speculation on that.
I have a question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So this is about printing the US dollar. So what do you think about printing or issuing the tether? So there was this news that they issued 12 million additional tether. So how does that?
Not million. I think it was billion or something.
Billion.
Yeah.
Maybe billion.
Yes, sure they can. They can do, and also they do it to pump Bitcoin. In my opinion, that was the news. But basically, that will be the news every week now. That Tether minted another how much? 2 billion US dollars.
Billion.
Yeah.
Oh, I was wrong.
They should. I mean, it should be backed up by real dollars, of course, like in a bank. But we all know how it works, even banking system also. So it's basically not better than fiat money printer, but it's good in terms of it devalues the itself,
Yeah.
price of itself in bitcoins, in satoshis. So that's why I think we will some point we will see Bitcoin even higher than $100 million per coin. Maybe not us, but our children or grandchildren will see, because one satoshi is more scarce than 1 cent or $1. So yeah, that's why I think so. What do we have in the chat room? So yeah, maybe we will see much higher prices than everyone expects, because I don't know. I do not think that somebody expecting higher than 200,000 maybe or 300,000 this
I'm expecting
cycle.
it.
You? Huh?
I can tell you, yeah, I'm expecting it.
Okay.
You know why? Just because I think that it's not that I think that miracles happen, but I just think that by observing this market for a month and a half, yeah, I know it's like I'm not making any like analysis right now. I'm just telling the way I feel about this by just watching how it goes and looking back at the history of this market. I just see that it is capable of making moves, like extreme moves. So it can go extremely like down, and it can go extremely up. So I think it's like highly possible that it's going to go this high, like up to like 250k. I think it's what I would. This is the way I feel. I think it can do this.
Yes, but maybe not this cycle. I mean, you know, when I mean it should, and it eventually will do this. But I mean, maybe we need to face another bear market before that. That's the topic. So everybody who trades this, they are trying to time the market. They're trying to catch the best, or you know, around the best price to get out and get in. So that's all we're speculating about. I mean, I heard a lot of, you know, how to say, slightly bearish or not so bullish, you know, expectations. Somebody is waiting for 120. Somebody waiting for even somebody even didn't expect 100, as I know. Somebody said that the top should be like 94 or 97. So I don't know. I think we can, but you know, if we're speaking short term, as I told you before, I think we're a little bit overexcited, over bullish, and there are already some, you know, TV, media, news, and all this attention. It's not good in a short term. I mean, we have a short-term bubble risk right now. Short-term bubbles are okay in the bull markets. We are growing. Basically, usually we are growing like this, not the straight line up. So, yeah, I think the correction is on the table. So maybe should we short? I'm shorting only one coin now. It's Ohm. It's mantra Ohm, because it's, you know, and even this is not a safe bet to short it without stop loss or without some hedge positions, because for me it's a hedge position, and I was lucky to invest in Ohm back in 2020 and 2021, somewhere around here or here. So it did actually. From the bottom, it did actually a lot. Not accurate, but I think 300x or so. Yeah, maybe even more. But yeah, even with some average price entry and exit, it's like, I don't know. It's a lot. It's really a lot. So yeah, I'm hedge shorting it. I guess I think it should drop at some point. Everything which is growing super fast, so fast. I mean, look,
Yeah, but I think that what's surprising about this is to me is not how fast it grows, but just how steep it is.
Yeah.
So this doesn't look normal.
Yeah,
I mean,
it should be like a
if you-
Burj Khalifa, we call it Burj Khalifa
Yeah.
pattern, something like this. Could happen.
Yeah, so looking at this, I'm thinking like, why can't Bitcoin do this, like something similar? And Bob Lucas in his last video, he said we may see like a hyper bullish phase, meaning that once we go over 100K, it's going to be on the news, and people who are now passive, about Bitcoin, they are gonna be back in. They're gonna pay attention to this. They're gonna dive in. They're gonna have FOMO, and they're gonna start buying it again. So I mean, I see it like when I talk to my friends now, people who used to have crypto, used to like buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin. They were disappointed with the last bull market, as you put it, like a sort of a bull market, like a fake bull market. So they were disappointed. They had great expectations about Bitcoin, and now whatever price is below 100K, they think it doesn't matter, so they just really don't follow. So when I talk to them and I go like, okay, like I translate videos about like crypto and Bitcoin now, they go like, oh, this like, yeah, we used to do this like 4 years ago, and it didn't work out well for us. Like we bought it when it was low, and then it was high, and so we expected it to go even higher, and then it went down, and then we started selling it.
Yeah, weak hands.
Yeah, weak hands. So so going back
Wiki
to
hands.
what Bob Lucas said, yeah. Like, yeah, nobody knows what's gonna happen when it goes over 100K, and maybe it's gonna be a hyper bullish phase.
Yeah, we can only speculate and guess, but no one knows the future. But you know what? It was a very, very productive and good trading week or month. I don't know. It was month, but the last week was more important than previous. So yeah, I think it makes sense to take some profits and chill and wait and see. Let the price will tell us where should it go. My personal opinion is that altcoins will continue pumping time to time. I mean, we see some names. We see Ripple, we see Stellar was doing very, very good last days also. Let's take a look at Stellar. XLM, wow, look how impressive this pump is. How impressive this pump, this green candles, like it's 6x, it's 500% in like in 1 week or maybe 2 weeks. And yeah, and by the way, it's weak and weak. You remember we were talking about the two different words, weak, and I just don't know how to pronounce.
Yeah.
Maybe you can help me. I mean, last week we saw a crazy candle wick, or how to say?
No,
Like
there's a candle and there's a wick.
wick.
Okay.
Yeah, this is wick.
Wick.
Okay.
Do you think, is it a wick? No. It's a candle.
It's
Right.
a candle, but this it's like a wick.
Okay. So wick.
Yeah.
On top of it, yeah. All right.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think Stellar is showing us the potential to basically every other altcoin which didn't pump already yet. I mean, if we take a look at I don't know, Litecoin or Dash or Dot, for example, they are looking like Stellar a month ago. So yeah, Stellar is, in my opinion, not very good to buy now. Maybe it can correct. I mean, if we will see some more brutal correction movements in near future, it can drop at least for 61.8 Fibonacci retracement to 0.3 to 30 cents, maybe. Again, who knows? But yeah, but anyway, it's super good. I hope it will be the how to say, not lagging, but the opposite, like the опережающий индикатор. How we say?
I don't know, something that I don't know.
When look, when something is delaying, when we see delay in something, they say it's a lagging chart or lagging indicator. But when we are talking about, it's like a signal, like a pre signal. I mean, if Bitcoin is going super fast now, it's oh damn, I forgot. Alessio Rastani uses this often.
Forward-looking,
yeah,
outrunning,
front-running, yeah, or yeah, well,
advanced.
basically you got it right. Yeah, the meaning is right. It's like a running indicator. So I think, yeah, guys, if you know how they called it, maybe exceeding. Yeah, no. But never mind. Not so important. Yeah, it's. Oh shit! No, I want to remember. I will remember next time. I'll tell you. Anyway, it's like how we say опережающий in English.
There are so many different words for опережающий. It's like forward-looking.
Russian language is rich. Let's see. Leading. Yeah, this is the leading indicator.
No, the leading.
Yeah,
right.
the leading indicator. So I hope Stellar is not a dead cat bounce now, but is mostly like a leading indicator for every altcoin which is still like on the bottom. For example, my favorite Dash. I hope they will get some revival and new attention, because now they are looking super scammy. But you know what? If it will do like Stellar, it will be like on $600 in 2 weeks, or maybe even higher. The all-time high of Dash is $1,600.
It looks scammy only until we see a Burj Khalifa on the horizon.
Yeah, something like this. So, my opinion that we should slowly accumulating some altcoins positions, and if we have some profits on some names, we should take those profits. If we don't, we should keep, we should hodl. Even if we are talking about spot and investing, especially if we are talking about investing, you shouldn't sell now. I mean, especially altcoins, because maybe if you have some good profits on, I don't know, Solana or some meme coins or Bitcoin or Ethereum, you should sell part of it. But yeah, I think you should never sell 100%, because eventually you will need to buy it higher. You will need to buy it at much more higher price, or I don't know, or maybe you won't, but I will. So I try to keep as much as possible in crypto, but time to time we need to do some take profits and withdraw. So yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense if you are just learning how to trade, especially if you have some profits, just take it and go and buy something for yourself or for your family and feel the profit, because otherwise you can lose it all in next day. And yeah, unrealized profit isn't profit at all. Realized profit is realized profit. Even this is also not realized profit. Real realized profit, if you withdraw this to fiat, accidentally steal in fiat and spend it on your life. Because let's hope that in future you can spend just bitcoins, and we see some movements in smaller countries. For example, El Salvador, Bitcoin is legal. How to say legal? Tender. Legal currency there, yeah. And you can buy real estate or cars or everything in Dubai with crypto. So slowly, but yeah, we're seeing some crypto legalization, let's say, in regulatory space. And also, let's celebrate that Harry Gensler left his post from SEC Commission, and hope it will help, and new Trump administration would help to pump the markets already much higher. What do you think?
I don't know. I don't know who Gary Gensler
Who the
was.
hell is Gary Gensler?
Yeah.
Basically, it was the enemy number one of crypto, of all tokens, of all. You
okay.
You should know. But you know what? You did actually start your journey and your education from the most great speakers. I mean, Andreas Antonopoulos and Bob
sure.
Lucas. It's my favorite. They are, they are professors. So yeah, maybe you shouldn't listen to Gary Gensler at all, because he's a guy from SEC, commission. It's like a chinovnik, we say in Russian. How to say chinovnik? Like bureaucracy guy. Okay, so not very interesting. Yeah. So wow, cool. We're streaming already 44 minutes. Nice. I hope it makes sense to somebody.
Yeah, let's hope. You wanted to do some trading?
Yeah, you know what? I'm just taking profits for now. Maybe I should play a small bounce on BTC. Let's see. We did liquidated these guys on 93 or 92. Somebody from our Russian chat, Telegram chat, said that his target is somewhere around here. Yeah, maybe we can do a small long scalp, but to be honest with you, I'm not sure now. So yeah, maybe we can just play with our entry point at some point. At some point we can buy more, so we will move our average entry lower, and then we can, in a small bounce, we can go out, and that's it. I mean, we have a lot of profits in altcoin this time. We already took profits on XRP, on Mana, on Polkadot, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Maybe we should take some more, because really it was a nice week. It was like basically everything was pumping like 100%, 200%, and so maybe we need some time to to cool off a little bit before the next leg up, as usual.
In future, could you buy real estate using meme coins? Do you think?
I think maybe, I think it's a joke, but if we are not kidding, I think NFT is much more perspective in this way, technology, because you can own, basically you can do your house coin, I mean house token, NFT token, and it will be like the one and only. So you can do a smart contract with that. That was the original idea of Ethereum back in back in 2016 when Buterin invented, and he was speaking in Skolkovo. It was basically he was telling us that we can in future we can do the real estate deals via smart contracts on Ethereum. For example, I am selling you the house, you're giving the money there, and smart contract holds it until the money is confirmed. So then you start to own your property, something like this. Basically, all darknet markets were I think that basically Russian, for sure, they was working on this kind of technology, like smart contracts, because somebody send Bitcoin, other guy take whatever it is. We do not we we do not how to say. Мы не занимаемся пропагандой, ничего, но. Winnie, you still here? You have some problems with your mic again. Yeah.
Me? Oh shit.
Yeah, now it's okay. Sometimes I think
Okay.
it's turning itself off. Maybe there's some kind of auto switch off. No.
No.
Okay.
No, it's on. It's always on.
I mean, smart contracts. It's a great technology. It's very good for deals and blockchain also. But it was a kind of hype in 2017 when every idea, like you just put the word blockchain near it and it's boom, you can do your token and you say we will blockchain everything, like medicine, cars, everything basically.
Yeah, I get it. But I must say this.
Yeah.
I must say this. I watched like following maybe it was the last stream of yours on the Russian channel. I downloaded the Phantom wallet, so I signed up on Phantom, and I was like actually amazed by how easy it is to make transactions there, and so like how easy that access to all the coins is, and how easily you can actually do the deposit, so actually buy crypto using the fiat money. So I think, yeah, with more wallets like this and with more services like the Travala and the what others, the Casta token, that's the app which is called the KA app, I think it's called.
Yeah,
with more services like this, it's going to be more and more easy. Like it's going to be easier to purchase things, to buy things with crypto. So yeah, why not buying real estate with meme coins if those meme coins like cost thousands of dollars? Are you with us, Greenie?
Yes, I am, but I'm I'm searching for something, so you can go ahead. 2 minutes.
Okay. I don't know what to say, actually. I'm just watching these, the chart which is on the screen, and in the current trades. Anybody has any questions in the chat? Hello, chat. Oh, not necessarily questions. Maybe you want to say something.
Да. Все, я вернулся в нормальный на нормальный микрофон. I came back, but I can't hear you. Are you with us?
Yeah,
Mini.
I'm with you.
Right.
You had the mic on, so I heard a lot of noise. Elon is Satoshi. I don't think so. I think Elon is too stupid to be Satoshi. I hope to see proper Black Friday discounts on crypto market. Yeah, but the question is where? Like, what kind of discounts do you hope to see? Like a dump? Yeah, proper dump is a proper discount, maybe.
Yeah, I think I saw the TradingView discount today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, some Black Friday or something like this.
Those kind of discounts. So yeah, like the crypto services. Yeah. It was on the last Crypto Face video, so he was promoting his Black Friday, early Black Friday discounts.
Okay, you know what? I think maybe we wrap it up here. It was a quick little view on market. And by the way, guys, if you are trading also, or maybe if you want to learn how to trade, keep in touch and check out the best crypto deals in the description below this stream, and especially Pionex exchange. Bybit of course as the main one, and Pionex is a very good alternative. And Pionex has some BTC, Ethereum and Solana pairings in perpetual futures, so you can trade those pairings with leverage and accumulate more Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana if you prefer. That is crazy, actually. I think it's yeah, from my experiences, first exchange which allows this kind of trading on futures. So yeah, I think we will see crazy volatility next few months. So be prepared, stay strong, HODL and DCA, and yeah, stack sats, keep stacking sats.
Stacking sats, yeah. Yeah, the best
Strategy ever is like the most risk-free strategy is just stacking assets.
Yeah, guys, so feel free to leave us a like and subscribe, and write something in comments below in English language, please. I mean, for those who are Russians or Ukrainians or whatever you are, whoever you are, I mean. So yeah, please type in English. That would help us to get some more views worldwide. Thank you, and thanks Winnie, Artyom. I know how to call you next time. Thanks Winnie for helping with this.
Yeah.
And yeah,
It was fun.
thank you everyone, and see you soon in the next one. Which altcoins should we ask? Should we answer the last question to Rogi from Ukraine? Peace to Ukraine, by the way, for sure. What alt could rally next in midterm?
Midterm.
Yeah, as we spoke before. You wanna say?
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Obviously, I think those that are flat now.
Yeah, right. Those that are flat, and one of those is audio coin, probably. Let's hope so. Because I recently, to be honest with you, let's de-anonymize you if you don't mind. I just subscribed to your your page.
Cool. Nice.
And tip,
good.
and tip you one audio coin there. So please check.
Nice. Thank you.
And by the way, guys, you should also, if you are watching us from, where is the chat actually? If you are watching us from Europe or I don't know, USA, but by the way, can you type where are you from? So you should also subscribe to the brand new page of Old Good Band on Caraband. And yeah, shout out to you. And for our page also, you can subscribe for ITS, that is my band. Originally we play music, but yeah, so far now we are going crypto, and audio coin is looking super bullish for me. I mean, let's have a look. before we finish. Audio coin was, I want to say audio coin because in Russia we say audio, but anyway, you should, and also altcoin. We say altcoin, but nobody cares and no one understands. We should say altcoins, because when we say altcoins in Russian, I think like we are talking about very old, you know, how to say, beardy coins. Yeah, so
that's the first thing I thought about when I heard, like the first time I heard old coins. I thought so those are kind of some like ancient coins, you know.
yeah. OG coins. Yeah. So look, take a look. Audio coin was pumping to $5. Now it's like 16 cents. So non-financial advice, and also from like if we are talking about top 100. I think Atom is super cheap still, and it is already rocket fueling here. Look, I think Polkadot is really super cheap still. So basically, show me the charts and I will tell you the news. Just take a look at the chart of your coin which you want to invest or jump into the position. So you just take a look if it's not, I don't know, like stellar yesterday. If it looks some more like this, I think you can try. You can try because, man, this is Atom. Look, this is not a top. Okay, let's say so. This is with very high probability. This is not a top. So that's why I think you should choose in that way. Okay, yeah. And K-App, by the way, K-App is very good project. We know guys personally, and we hope they will pump. Of course, it's our speculation, it's our mercantile interest, but yeah, but the project is good. And by the way, if you're watching from Europe, try K-App. It is like a kind of crypto bank, so you can, yeah, you can.
I'm gonna get my documents. I'm gonna get my documents in weeks. So I'm gonna try my KA app because right now I cannot try it. It doesn't accept my documents. So
you should. Yeah, it's.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna tell you how it works.
It's only for Europeans for now. Maybe from some kind of jurisdictions, I don't know. But we can, yeah, we can follow them on Twitter and follow the last updates. So basically, guys, keep in touch. Thank you for watching. And this meme, I think it will be the funny end story. Yeah, this is how it goes in terms of inflation, in terms of money printer and scammy, shady financial system in the whole world. So yeah, keep in touch. Thank you very much, and bye bye.
Bye bye. How it started, how it's going.